Hello everyone, Bertina Amy here, and welcome to my channel.
In today's video, I'm doing a DIY go-to relaxing iced tea lattes. For me, I have a very special spot in my heart for matcha tea lattes because they were my go-to drinks for when I was battling cancer because they have antioxidants and fight against cancer. Meanwhile, I also love chai tea lattes because they also have ginger in them that also help to fight against cancer and also help with pregnancy and nausea and all sorts of other health benefits. While I'm not a doctor and can't prescribe these as actual healing substances, I'm just saying that they certainly don't hurt, and it definitely felt like it worked for me, but in any event, this is something you can consider in conjunction with whatever else you are recommended by your doctor to do.
So here's how I make my chai tea base, and it's super easy. First, I fill a glass with ice. Then I fill a glass halfway up with my chai tea concentrate. And half with my milk choice. And I'm mildly lactose intolerant, so I'm going with an alternative. Then stirring it. And enjoy. It's so good and it saves you money than stopping over at Starbucks.
And yesterday morning when I wanted to make this iced matcha tea latte for myself for this video, I realized that from the move I couldn't even find where the green tea matcha tea latte powder was, so I had to make a quick run over to Target, and then I came across this aisle in their tea section where they're now selling this new Korean version of pre-mixed lattes, and I'm very intrigued, but the price seems kind of high than what I'm used to. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see me make it and try it in the future videos.
Here's how I like to make my iced matcha tea lattes. First, I fill a glass with ice. Quick story, I had to frost this glass because I couldn't find my matcha green tea powder, so I had to stop and run over to the store to pick it up because our AC unit in the living room area isn't working, and so we were waiting to be able to replace it, and meanwhile I didn't want this ice to melt. Then I placed 2 bamboo scoops of my matcha tea powder and sift it through. Then I fill a cup with about 1/4 of water. Then I pour about 4 seconds worth of this blue agave. I really like it because it has a low glycemic index and it tastes really good. Then I whisk it with my bamboo whisk. Doing this with one hand because I don't know where my stand is and I still have a lot of unpacking to do with my move. Then I place my ice-filled glass with my milk of choice about halfway. Then I go ahead and pour my green tea mix into that. Then stirring it. And enjoy. It's so good and it saves you money than stopping over at Starbucks. Did you know that I am currently selling personally designed t-shirts based off of my upcoming book, The Cancer Dragon? Here I'm unboxing some orders from coworkers who I'm very grateful to for supporting my mission. If you were to ask me honestly, the idea for this logo came from my DIY Cancer Dragon wreath. My husband bought me a shirt once that said, "I kicked cancer's ass," but because of where I work, HR would have had a hissy fit over that, so I decided to design my own. To me, there's something to be proud of in becoming a Cancer Dragon Slayer, and I really hope my journey inspires you. I never planned on designing shirts for this, but as I kept creating and finding ways to express my life story, it just happened. I thought to myself, who else might love a shirt like this? On the back, the sayings are made for slayers, warriors, supporters, and even for honoring lost warriors. Here's the key in case you need it. New shirts are released each month, inspired by my upcoming memoir, The Cancer Dragon, so inspire everywhere with everywhere. These shirts were created with all of you in mind, and I was so happy with the design that I wanted to make it available for anyone who feels connected to this journey. Okay, so here's the cover so far for my upcoming book. The basic gist of it is, I became diagnosed with stage 3 cancer, got pregnant during fertility treatments, refused to abort, despite my doctor's warnings that I'd die at birthing my child. For book updates or to support me, scan the code or click the link below. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.